Alright, this particular channel which I want to show you today is kind of like an outlier channel. You're not going to be seeing many channels like this on a frequent basis that you can model after and start getting views, start getting subscribers, and start earning revenue with your channel. So this is quite an impressive channel. It's called Immersive Warm-Up, and as you can see, they got 207,000 subscribers. So they got the silver play button, they doubled that, and they got to 200,000 with only 12 videos. Okay, just 12 single videos, and you can see that they're getting almost 4 million views every single month onto their channel. So if you go ahead and look at their videos and when did they start, you can go to the oldest video and you can see that their oldest video is 3 months old and it got 1.6 million views. The second upload they did got 4.8 million. Then the third one did even better at 12 million. So you can see the growth of this channel. They pretty much got monetized with one single video, which is insane. Okay, and you can see millions and millions of views. So what exactly is this channel doing? And like I said, right now it's 3 months old. If you go to the latest videos, you'll be able to see that they stopped posting 2 months ago. I have no idea why. Maybe they come back and start posting again. But if I had a channel like this and it was getting 4 million views per month after 3 months, that's an incredible result. And as you can see, they're getting, like I just said, 4.4 million views and 28.8 million total views so far. So if we just get a simple calculator and go, let's just say 29 million views, and you want to divide that by 1,000, okay, 29,000. Let's just say they have a moderate RPM of $3. It's already made $87,000 in just 3 months with this channel, which is insane. Okay, so what exactly are they doing on this channel to be able to get these views? Well, you can see that they're doing these warm-up videos. So when people exercise, they need to warm up first, whether you're going to the gym, whether you're running. Okay, you need to warm up first. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open up this channel right here, and then I'll go ahead and show you how you can make these videos yourself. So I'll just turn the volume down a little bit so you can see. You can just, it says, let me just go back slightly so you can see an animated black and white man, and it's just doing like a dance, and then you can see these cat images and things like that, and then he's walking. Okay, so you can generate these video clips with AI if you don't find the correct ones with stock footage in that. Okay, and then it just has the people walking, and then he'll progress to clapping. Okay, and that's just the video with background music, and this gets a lot of views. So you can see the title is Immersive Interactive Warm-Up, new version, full body fun moves for everyone. So if we go to the YouTube homepage, and people will search for this, okay, we'll get a lot of browse views, but people do search for interactive warm-up. Okay, so if we go to the search bar, you can search for interactive warm-up. There it is, interactive warm-up. So if people click on that search result, you can see his videos pop up. Okay, he has another channel doing it, Andrew Reality, and then Daniel S Films. Okay, and there you'll be able to see Immersive Warm-Up. So the way that this channel got success is they were early on a new type of video concept on YouTube, and they were really able to get the views because they were early, and not a lot of channels are doing this. So you can see just a handful of channels, and you can see they're all getting a lot of views. We can go to this one for an example, Immersive Body Fit. Okay, they got 21 videos because they might have been a little bit later. They got 23,000 subscribers, but you can see they're doing a different style. Okay, with like the games and the cartoons. Okay, 16k 9 days ago, 140k 13 days. Okay, let's go see how old this channel is. Also 3 months old, but they're doing something similar, but they like to do the games and stuff like that. So lots of potential in this niche. So how exactly do you go ahead and make these videos? Okay, so what you can do is you can go ahead and go to ChatGPT, and you can start a new chat, and you can ask it to make me a black and white silhouette. Okay, I need to spell that right. Silhouette man. Okay, walking. Let's just do walking. So I typed in make me a black and white silhouette man walking, and then we'll see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so what ChatGPT came up with, it says, I said make me a black and white silhouette man walking. Now you obviously want to make it look a little bit like they're working out, so include things like that in your prompt, make it look like they're working out. But this is good, so you get the general idea. It created that one first, and then I said put the white outline over it, around it, and then you can see it created that particular image right there. Okay, so as you can see, this particular man isn't in the same style. So what I did is I went and got a, if I go to this video, I got a screenshot right there, and it said make me an image like this instead, and ChatGPT came up with something pretty much exact. Okay, but if you go ahead and look at the video, you can see that it's waving and it's animated. Okay, and for the rest of the video, you will just find stock images of pets and people, mainly pets and random backgrounds and stuff like that. And you can see you just need to animate them and add some text into the video. So you can use various different tools. One of them is OpenArt. Okay, what you can do is you can sign up for OpenArt and you can animate the image. So it looks something like this, like you see right here, where it is actually animated like that. Okay, another tool that you can use is Higgsfield.ai. You would come here, you would say create a video. Okay, you want to create a video, and here it says create a video or edit a video. Click on edit video, and what you can do is upload images. Okay, so you would go to ChatGPT, you would download the image, you would go to Higgsfield, you would upload your images right here, like that one, and you would tell it what you wanted to do. So you would say something like animate waving hands side to side, and then you would use 9 credits to do that, and you would obviously need a Higgsfield plan to be able to do that. But if you go back to the channel, okay, that's not the right one. If you're getting basically these views, 4 million views a month basically, so I think it was 3.66 million views a month, so 366. Okay, you would divide that by 1,000, and if they have the RPM of $3, sorry, they're basically making $10,000 every single month with this channel. And then you can do affiliate marketing, where you go into the videos. Let's just see if they're doing affiliate marketing. Okay, but what you would do is you would put like a fitness app in the description, and you would basically get affiliate commissions that way. So a good channel idea. If you want to replicate it yourself, you can. If this video helped you out and you would like more one-on-one helps and support, you can join my 100% free school community. First link in the description. Like this video if you got value, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.